I'm gonna go into Lowe's and get a new part for my lawnmower. Hi, do you have this part for a John Deere lawnmower? I'm sorry, sir, but we don't have it on stock. What? Screw you, I'm out of here! I hate Lowe's. They don't have any of the parts that I have. But Noah Hackford loves Lowe's. And I don't. And for that, I'm gonna destroy goddamn Lowe's! I'm gonna go big just so I can go animate! Oh god. Dad, what are you doing? That doesn't mean you can destroy Lowe's. You already destroyed Target, Sam's Club, and now you're destroying Lowe's? Yes, I am! Get out of here! No! How am I getting him to stop? Dad, look behind you. Oh no, no! And for that, I'm gonna pull down the pull station. Well, you need a key to reset it. And I have it in my pocket, and I'm not gonna give it to you. Not until the penguins get here. That's not even fair! Yes, it is. Oh, look, I can actually see them over there. And I love the way that they walk. Where's the one that's staring into yourself? Michael, let's see if I can fly. Did he fly? Yes, he did. He got away. Wait, what? Dad, get back here right now. I don't think he can hear you. Alright, hey guys, let's get in the van. What?
Several bad puns later.
Oh no. Oh good, now I'm home. Now I'm gonna go inside and watch TV and smoke. Alright, time to sit at the table.
A few moments later.
Oh look, his van is here. Hey guys, his van is here. I think he flew all the way home. Wait, his van is still at Lowe's, so we had to drive it home. Oh yeah, yeah. Doesn't he drive a Dodge Grand Caravan? Yes. It's over there. It's over here. What? That's just the picture. Alright, you guys go in the back door. And, alright, so, you two undercover rover penguins, you guys go in the back door. And one with staring into your soul, you go in the back door as well to the laundry room. Okay, and then penguin, you with box fans and the one looking off to the side, you guys will come in the front door. Okay. All right, let's go. I hope Michael made it back to his house safely. I hope I lost the penguins too. Wah. Wah. No, they find me! We followed you all the way from Lowe's. We saw you flying through the air. We followed you. Oh no, I gotta get out of here now! Not so fast, Dad. Alright, penguins, come on, tickle them, let's go. Oh, okay. And also, what are you saying? Hey. Wait. Hey, everybody tickle them. Let's go. Wah, 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 wah. Hey, don't be rude. Oh, wah, 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 wah. Oh, wah, 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 wah. Come on, Elsa, I need you. Penguins report to Seattle, Washington to tickle Coach Wittenberg, Helga G. Pataki, Wolfgang, and maybe Harold. And then to Bort Nunswick Township, New Jersey to tickle Derek Smalls, Miss Smith, Nathan Talbot, and maybe Officer Dangus and Bo Carter. And then report to Malarksburg, Caryland to tickle Eva Robotnik, Eggman Head, President of Malarksburg, Caryland. And then report to Gnarlston, South Carolina to tickle Gangry Arandpa. And last but not least, report to Mount Airy, Maryland to tickle William. Well, well, that's it. Oh, and Dad, somebody else is here to see you. Oh no, who's happy? Is that Noah Ackworth? Is it William? No, it's not. Or is it Arnold? No, it's not Arnold. Theodore, come on in. Okay. What is that? Dad, Theodore is gonna mess with your lights for 15 minutes while Bridget and I go out to Sam's Club. Wait, no, we're not allowed Sam's Club because you destroyed it and they took away our membership cards, remember? Oh, I didn't even know that. Alright, well, Theodore, start messing with the lights. Okay. Hey. Hey, turn my lights back on. Shut up. Cut out, you. How do I turn my light back? How do I turn my light back on? How do I turn my light? Hey, you're gonna stop me. You're gonna make my energy bill higher. Shut up. Don't go big or I'm gonna get talking Teddy. I know that. Theodore, report back home to Bort Nunswick Township, New Jersey. Alvin has talking Teddy. You may want to come and save him. Oh no, not talking Teddy. Oh yeah. Alright, that's it, Dad. You're grounded for the rest of the day. Go to your room now. Good.
See?
Go away, you pirate.